everybody, welcome back to another episode of Frankie QTM's MTV vlog. We're finally out of the rain. I'm so happy that I can get out. Last 2 weeks has been like raining in Southern California consistently, so we don't have enough. I don't want to ride too much in the rain, so because we have to do a lot of cleaning afterwards, especially where we go. I'm just too lazy. But finally, we're out of the rain. Still a little bit drizzly, but we're back in the Palos Verdes. We're at this park right now. It's a beautiful Saturday, and we're gonna take it easy. So we decided to come back to Palos Verdes because we've been here 2-3 times, and after 2 weeks of no riding, I think for us, Palos Verdes was a good choice because Wifey knows it really well. I know it really well, and you get to enjoy the view. Perfect day. So that hopefully in the next couple more weeks, hopefully in the next coming weeks, it's gonna stay dry in California, so we can get out, get some more riding. Hopefully we can get some ski bike action. We'll probably go to Wrightwood for that. What else is there to do? Yeah, just look out for more of our videos. If you haven't subscribed yet, or you're a first-time viewer, please subscribe, hit the thumbs up, hit the notification bell, and join us on Patreon. $1 a month helps us, with a little gas money, and we get to go out riding, show you guys what's going on in Southern California, especially Sky Park. Now that I think Sky Park is reopened, so I think everybody gets to go. We went there in the last video to see a bunch of snow. Please subscribe, please hit the notification bell, and join us on Patreon, and we'll see you on the trails. Hey guys, so we're doing a little something different today. I'm on the Turbo Levo, and since I think wife wanted to do a little challenge, she wants to challenge herself physically this week, which I think is good. Puts me on ease because I'm on the Turbo Levo, which I haven't ridden too much. So today is going to be my first trail day on the Turbo Levo, which I actually don't have the power on right now. But Wifey is going to go through the struggle. I know. Yeah, she's tired. But I mean, we got a tow cable, so the whole ride shouldn't be that bad. Just a few places that she's gonna struggle with. Oop. Uh-oh. All right. Wifey hasn't ridden my bike, and she's freaked out. But yeah, I figure I'd take some time to talk to you guys. This is something I actually don't do quite a lot because, I don't know, I'm always focused on riding. But I guess it's time for a little change. This is always my favorite part. The favorite part of Palos Verdes, the view. Oh man, look at that. It's so hard to ride here because you want to look at the view all the time. You don't want to look at the road. You can see 2 weeks off the bike and she's a little not as loose. Okay, so Wifey is totally uncomfortable with my bike. She feels like it's too light. It may be, because she's used to riding e-bikes. Like, it's like so steady. Thank you. Wifey is struggling. Struggling? Yeah. Alright, so if you guys are wondering how we tow, I'll probably make a video. If you guys have similar setups, like you have one e-bike and then you got a spouse that's riding with you and can't ride as much, I'll probably put up a video on how I put the setup. It's pretty simple, you know, Home Depot remedy. All right, last more view, and then we'll get to riding. Oh, look at the view. This is what it's all about. View, mountain bike trails. You always gotta slow down and try to have my spouse, my wife, the wifey, mimic my moves, because she's still a beginner, she's still learning. So I try to tell everybody, I try to show how I ride with my wife and show her how to, pick the best lines, because when there's no one in front of her, she doesn't know what line to pick. So when I'm riding in front of her, I always gotta ride slower. She's going crazy in the back. So I think it's always a good thing to put one of those trail bells on her. Woo! Look at these rocks. Woo! Wow! The rain cleared up a lot of stuff. Woo! Starting to gain some confidence back. Picking up a little speed. No trail damage. Ooh. Picking up speed. Thank you. You're welcome. There's just two of us. Woo. I do have to admit, the Turbo Levo was a lot of fun to ride. She's a little stiff. Not uncomfortable. Hey, wait. Oh, shit. Where all the horses? Woo! Horse tracks. Woo! Woo! Huh? Woo, and just like that, we are done with the Portuguese Bend Reserve, Palos Verdes. I think wife struggled a little bit with the regular bike. I think maybe in the future we're gonna swap. Maybe on Saturdays, I'll work on my, I'll ride the Levo. Maybe on Saturdays I'll ride the Levo, and then on Sundays she'll switch back to the Levo, because she wants to challenge herself in most likely try to lose some weight, and just gain more stamina, gain more endurance, so we can go on bigger rides. But right now, we're doing trails that Wifey is comfortable with. I don't want to go too far, and when you go too far, she won't enjoy it. It will just be crap for her and then crap for me. So hopefully with that, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Please hit that thumbs up, hit the notification bell. Check out our Patreon page, support us. $1 a month helps us with planning, scheduling, and everything. And we'll see you guys on the next ride. Peace.